Yeah, Lisa, emergency management officials were worried about those creeks and streams overflowing with this storm, and that's exactly what happened here in Luzerne County. These creeks and streams couldn't handle all of that rain. As Tropical Depression Debbie hit Luzerne County and the rain came down, the waters of Hunlocks Creek in the back mountain continued to rise. Here's a look from the creek moving swiftly along Hillside Road near Shavertown. Down in Wilkes-Barre, the traffic along Blackman Street was detoured as the road between New Frederick and Hazel Streets was closed off. Solomon's Creek rising up and causing a headache for homeowners.
It's been a couple of years since we've had any water in the cellar, like probably about 7. But it has happened 6 or 7 times where we got up to 3.5 feet.
Wow.
And that's not good for my furnace or my hot water heater.
Bob Rushkowski has lived along Blackman Street for nearly 40 years and says flooding is a persistent problem. But this time it's bubbling up and heading into his basement.
I usually don't get water till I get up to about my 2nd or 3rd step. Now I'm getting water down and it's coming in very slowly, which is not the norm. The norm is usually 10 minutes, I got 3 feet.
It's totally water, like a lake. This is a lake. This isn't a creek.
Out in Dallas, Leggio's restaurant getting hit by flooding for a 2nd time in a year. The restaurant was ravaged in last year's September flooding, and 11 months to the day, Toby Creek overflowing once again and causing problems for the business.
Before it was different. Now this is just complete frustration of no one helping, no one doing anything. Where's the borough? I call the borough and they say, just clean it up. Clean it up. This is not cleanup. This is more than just cleaning up and trimming trees.
While the worst of Debbie has passed here in Luzerne County, now begins that cleanup process for those homes and businesses impacted by that flooding. But for now, live in Luzerne County, Melissa Steininger, Newswatch 16.